The Project Explorer hasn't changed in 30 years. It's a flat list of files, not a view of your architecture. It's time for a second dimension. Introducing Applifique. It's a tool designed to visualize software architecture by rendering your codebase as a living, interactive blueprint that maps out your entire project. Simply import your own project by uploading a zip of your codebase, or just import from a public GitHub repo by pasting in the link. Applifique scans your codebase, finds the hidden connections between your files, and instantly builds your architectural blueprint. On the left is the familiar Project Explorer, but the real solution is on the canvas, where you get this powerful new perspective on how everything is truly connected. It helps you finally make sense of your own creation. You can switch between two lenses to diagnose your code. The blueprint view shows you how it's physically wired together, which is your ground truth. But the features view is amazing for debugging. It regroups your files by what they do, so you can isolate a broken feature and see all the components that power it. And it's all interconnected. Click a file and see where it lives in the grander scheme. Click a node on the diagram and instantly jump to its code. It's the fastest way to build a mental map and find the source of your bugs. But here's the best part for fixing a broken project: the Auto Auditor. It immediately scans your project and gives you visual hints about the root causes of spaghetti code, like God objects or those tangled circular dependencies. It doesn't just show you your architecture, it helps you see exactly which components need fixing. The public beta is now open. Ready to code like an architect? Head over to applifique.com and try it out for free.
Applifique, c'est simply magnifique.